In this video, I'm going to show you how to design on Canva, step by step. In fact, you will see how to create content for publishing using real-life examples for your business. Welcome to Direct Information. Today, I'm going to show you how to find solutions even if you are not a designer. And you will learn how to use Canva to design thumbnails, logos, social media graphs, presentations, and posters. We have a lot to cover in this video, so let us start. What will I cover? A very short introduction about Canva, then moving to particular training. While in another video, I'll show you real-life cases for designing on Canva. What is Canva? An easy-to-use design platform for creating content for publishing. The platform is free to use, offers paid subscription like Canva Pro and Canva for Enterprise for additional functionality. There is the landing page of canva.com. Create a free account or sign in if you're already registered. Here is your dashboard. On the left, you can see the menu, where you can see all your designs, or library if you're going to organize your work into folders to browse them easily. Individuals menu dashboard will allow pro users to create templates for their team use. You can invite members to your team for collaboration and commenting in real time as free members. Go to Create Design. You will have a lot of predefined Canvas templates, like t-shirts, logos, or posters. We're going to use custom dimensions for now, as 1920 by 1080 pixels for presentation. The top toolbar at the left, you can see File, which you use to modify your file, like save, create a copy, save to folder, or download. Then, the view that allows you to switch between different types of layouts. And then the resize functionality to resize your canvas. On the right, you can change the name of the design, share it with other members, or download it with different parameters. The main Canva is the white area. The top toolbar above the canvas will be changing according to the element you are selecting on the workspace. Above the canvas, on the right, the toolbar is used for adding notes, creating new page, or duplicating the design. The left side of the canvas is where you are going to be assessing all the different types of content which you can add to your main canvas in order to make your design. Let us have a small look at the templates. Click on the templates. Search the design you are looking for. Click on it and it will be added to the canvas. The template will not be added as an image. Instead, it will be spreaded components each as layer and has its own properties. You can hover over the different components and click on each to edit it. Some of these contents are free, while others need the Pro version. I'm going to add a new page so we can do a scratch design. Let us try making a thumbnail for a Canva tutorial YouTube video. Go to Photos, which work the same logic as templates. Let us add a photo. Search and add one of the photos, and add it to the canvas. Even you can resize image to fit your design, or you can right-click and click on Replace Background. After adding an item and selecting it, you see that the top toolbar has changed, and you get a variety of different options on how you can modify the selected content like effects or adding color filters, adjusting some specifications like brightness or blurring, You can also flip the item or crop it, change the position or transparency of the image, in case you want to show other elements. There is a locking image. When you finish editing an image, so you don't accidentally edit it, or even add external link to the image in case you want it for icon or PDF. And finally, you can delete it or duplicate it. Now, go to the element option and let us add elements for the thumbnail we have created. As you can see, there are a lot of different elements ready and available to be used by adding them to the Canva. Some of them are free, while others have the Pro icon, which means you need the paid version to use them. This is a powerful design feature, which provides you with a big library of already existing ready-to-use elements. Let us add an element to the thumbnail that fits our needs by clicking on it. And it will show up over the Canva. And the top editing toolbar will allow you to change the colors, flip or crop the elements, or adjust the transparency and position, or even duplicate it. Let us now add a shape, like a square or a circle, then change the size of it. Then we select the circle and change the color from the top toolbar. Add a text element inside the thumbnail and then change the text and align it to the center. Then resize the text box and more spacing to enhance the look and drag it to the right position. As you can see, there's an alignment grid that shows when I move the components, which help us to easily align the different elements. Another element to element alignment can be done by clicking on the first component, then on the second. Then use the position in the top toolbox. Another element is available on Canva, like songs, to add a video music background to your presentation, beside a lot of video content that can be used for different purposes. The same way, click in the video and it will be added to the canvas. In the top toolbox, you can crop it or trim it to use a part of it. In case you want to add a specific image or log to your design, you can add it to your uploads for a later design and just click on it. Then it will be added to thumbnail and you can modify the same as the other components. If you think that some of those elements will be used a lot, just go ahead and click like, so that they will be in the likes folder. Moreover, you can add links for external components like YouTube if you want to add a video for your presentation. Other parts like background, which will work the same as image, set as background. And the styles will give a predefined design style that you can apply easily. The last action will be downloading the design. As you can see, you can apply a transparent background if needed be. Select the type of download you want from PDF, PNG, and even select the pages you want or all of them, then click on download. If you like this video, make sure that you subscribe to this channel right now. Just click on the subscribe button below this video. And now it's your turn. What type of content you are designing? It is for social media posts, videos, or presentations? Let me know by leaving a comment below right now.